Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best tech products to help you make the right choices. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Western Digital 1TB 5400 RPM 2.5-inch SATA hard drive, which is hands down one of the best internal hard drives for your PS4 Pro and honestly, for any PlayStation 4 console. If you're looking to upgrade your PS4 storage and get more space for your games, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Let's start by diving into the key features of this hard drive. First off, it has a generous 1 TB of storage space. With a PS4 system taking up some of that space, you'll end up with around 835 GB available for your games, which is still a significant upgrade if you're running out of space. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or downloading multiple indie games, you'll definitely appreciate the extra room. This Western Digital hard drive runs at 5400 RPM, which is common for most PS4 hard drives and offers a great balance of performance and power efficiency. The 16 MB cache is also a nice touch, helping to improve read and write speeds. While it might not be the fastest drive out there, it's more than capable of handling your gaming needs without noticeable slowdowns. One of the standout features of this drive is its compatibility with all PS4 models, including the original PS4, PS4 Slim, and PS4 Pro. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller drive or replacing a failing one, this hard drive is a straightforward, reliable option. It connects via a SATA 6.0 gigabits per second interface, which is the same standard found in most modern PS4s, ensuring that installation and performance are smooth. Installation is also a breeze. If you're worried about the process, don't be. The package includes detailed instructions on how to install the hard drive into your PS4, along with guidance on downloading and setting up the PlayStation firmware. Even if you've never opened up a PS4 before, this guide will walk you through every step, making the upgrade process painless. As for durability, Western Digital has a solid reputation, and this drive is backed by a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that it's built to last. You don't need to worry about it failing unexpectedly, and if you do run into any issues, you're covered. If you've been struggling with limited storage on your PS4 or dealing with long loading times due to a slow hard drive, this is an excellent way to breathe new life into your console. Plus, at just around $30, it's an affordable upgrade that delivers solid value for money. So, whether you're looking to replace your aging PS4 hard drive or simply want to add more storage space for all your gaming needs, the Western Digital 1TB 5400 RPM hard drive is a top-notch choice. It's reliable, easy to install, and perfectly suited for the PS4 platform. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and leave a comment below if you've had experience with upgrading your PS4's hard drive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.